Well, got stranded with the Ford Raptor for the first time. I ended up getting a flashing battery light on the dashboard, and it only lasted for about 3 minutes or about 3 miles. I was trying to make my way down to O'Reilly's, and then the truck just quit, and now I'm on the side of the road here. Probably my alternator, so we'll see if we can get it replaced. Alright, so there's the alternator. Looks relatively easy. We got 1, 2, 3 bolts. Get that removed. Get the tensioner right there. Get it off the pulley and replace it. We got our electrical connector here. Get that off, and then we should be good to go. Then I also got this bolt up here. It's a 13mm socket to get that disconnected. Then we got to get this little electrical connector disconnected. So on the back here, you just got to pull this tab and push it up. So there's the tab. So you get it pushed up. Alright, notice I got the alternator out with keeping the actual belt on the entire time. Yeah, it wasn't ideal, but I don't have a 1/2-inch drive to loosen the belt tensioner while I'm stranded in the middle of nowhere here. So it actually worked out. I was able to just kind of have the alternator tip down and then work its way out. And then now when I get to the auto parts store when my buddy picks me up, I can buy one and we can install the new one. But funny enough, it says Ford Motor Co. here, and it's made in Japan. Alright, so we got the new alternator here. Just go ahead and get it installed. Make sure you got the right one. O'Reilly's doesn't like to give you the correct one, so just bring your old one in and just double check the alignment, because I had the wrong connector, and with this like hard harness and everything, that just wouldn't be ideal to flip the electrical connector on the other side here. But we'll go ahead and get this harness here mounted up, drop in the bolts. Get everything lined up here. And we got our connector and also right there, so we should be good to go. Alright, we'll go ahead and get those torqued to good and tight since we're on the road. I did loosen them, so I kind of know how tight they were. Pretty easy. You can go ahead and loosen this nut here. Get that tightened back up, and then also put our connector on. We'll get this tightened up, put the cap on, get this guy back on there, and all we got to do is put the belt back on. Yep, good to go. You can just, yeah. Alright, last thing we're going to go ahead and do is just make sure the belt didn't fall off. It looks like it kind of fell off a little bit down there on the power steering, so just get that realigned here. And then we'll just get everything tensioned down with the tensioner and bring it all the way up. Just double check everything, so make sure everything's kind of aligned. It's kind of off this pulley, so nothing's gonna jump. All looks pretty good. Now all we need to do is just go ahead and connect the battery terminals, jump it, and start her up.